Hi and welcome to AEC Tech Week 2022. My name is Mark Olmedo and I am here to guide you through all of our experience areas here at our ASUS HQ office in Ortigas, Pasig City. So, let's start our tour. For our first experience area here at AEC Tech Week 2022, we do have our self-service kiosk over here. So this one has a touch panel on the top of it, and at the bottom of it is our mini PC that's powering up this self-service kiosk, and it's hooked up to this UPS. So if you have a business that needs 24/7 reliability and it needs to be powered on all the time, you can just message us directly over at our official ASUS Facebook page to learn more about our self-service kiosk. And for our next segment here at AEC Tech Week 2022, we do have our ProArt Studio Book experience area over here. And for our monitors, we do have the PA329CV, which has a 4K resolution and 100% sRGB color space coverage, and it's really perfect for computer-aided designs. And this is just an example. So this one is a 3D printable motherboard cover for ASUS motherboards. And over here to its left side or right side is a PA278QV. So this one is 2K resolution and perfect for starters or for anyone who might need the mid-end ProArt monitor. But both of these are color calibrated out of the box and has delta E values of less than 2. So you are rest assured that all of these ProArt monitors that you are going to see for today are color accurate out of the box. And for the next experience area for AEC Tech Week 2022, we have this workstation here for architects and engineers. And as you can see, this is a floor plan, an example floor plan that you can print directly to an Epson large format printer over to the right side of me or left side of me. And this is being powered all by an ASUS CSM PC or corporate stable model. So you can again message us directly over at our official Facebook page and ask about our CSM models. And I did forget to mention about our ASUS store. So this one here is a network attached storage. So you can purchase a 2-bay one or a 4-bay one, which can be found over at our second experience area. So just message us over at our official ASUS Facebook page to learn more about our ASUS store or ASUS network attached storage. But enough of that, we also have two displays over here. Let's start off with the PA279CV. So it's 27 inches, 4K resolution, IPS monitor or IPS display panel. And it also has USB Type-C that can output from your desktop or laptop, and of course, charge your laptop simultaneously if you do decide to use this as an extension monitor. And for this one here, we do have the PA32UCR. It's a 4K resolution display as well, but it is a mini LED panel which can provide deeper blacks and whiter whites for end users. And for the last part of our segment here in this area, we do have another mini PC which is powered by a Core i5 processor. But if our end users will need something with more ports or less ports, or if they want something with an i7 or an i3 or anything lower than that, you can just message us over at our ASUS Facebook page if you want to learn more about our mini PCs. And it is currently hooked up to this one here, which is our ASUS Business Monitor, the BE24EQK. So it's 1080p with a built-in webcam over here. So this is perfect for video conferencing, and that is why it is a business monitor. And over here to the left side of it is our ASUS Expert Book, which is, can be used for on-the-go computing. And if you need more power out of your laptop, you can always check out our ProArt Studio Book. And by the way, all of our tables that are currently being used here are lent to us by Art Ergonomics. So they make tables that can raise or lower depending on what you need. Thanks so much, Art. And for the last segment of AEC Tech Week 2022, we have this workstation here, custom built for videographers. As you can see, we are currently working with DaVinci Resolve and of course Blackmagic Design. So shout out to you guys for lending us their hardware. And for our LCD monitors for creators and videographers, we do have the PA32DC. It's actually our first OLED ProArt monitor that has a built-in colorimeter, so you can color calibrate anywhere. And if you need to use another PC or desktop, there is a built-in colorimeter that you can use anywhere, anytime. And over to the left is the PA279CV monitor. So if you're starting out, this one is a definitely must-check monitor if you don't want to spend that much money. But if you want a high-end monitor that will do everything that you throw at it, definitely check out the PA32DC. And I think that's about it for our AEC Tech Week 2022. My name is Mark Olmedo, and I'm sincerely hoping that you guys can drop by over at our ASUS HQ in Pasig City so you can check out all of the stuff that I just discussed and check out what works for you. So, see you on the next video.